Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, do well by clicking on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. And also, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, do well to follow us on Telegram. Now, let's take a look at AUD USD. As you can see here, we are literally on an uptrend move. Yeah, AUD USD has been giving us this bullish move starting from a period of November, October, within that, October, I think October ending period, we had this bullish move on AUD/USD. You can see it. Then we had this pullback here. Then we had a new movement to the upside. Then a pullback. You can see we had a new higher highs here, and then here happens to be the pullback. So it has been doing that for some time, only for it to drop right. And you can see we actually range within this level. Yeah, since we've ranged within this level, market has now break out. You can see we break out to the upside. So all what we would want to be doing is probably wait for market to give us a pullback and we'll continue the movement to the upside. Probably if that pullback will come to this resistance level, as you can see that it broke out from, if it comes back to this resistance level it broke out from, then expect AUD/USD to continue the movement to the upside. And if it does not do that, then we should expect a minor pullback and a movement to the upside. Above all, AUD/USD must give us a pullback. It could be a huge one, which will come to tap this our resistance level, or it could be a minor one before it continues the movement to the upside. AUD/USD will be giving us a new movement to the upside, but a pullback first, then a bullish move. Do well to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section.